MrBeast is one of the most successful YouTubers on the planet right now. He just hit over 100 million subscribers just on his main channel. Now there's a world of difference between the MrBeast that we know today and when he got started. And I think there's three things that could have easily stopped him from being the success that he is today. But before we get to those, I want to take a quick trip down memory lane to the early days of MrBeast. Now it all started back in 2012 when a young MrBeast was alone in his room uploading videos of him playing Call of Duty. And in those early days, MrBeast realized that it seemed like no one was interested in watching this 13-year-old play video games. And we take a look back and watch these videos, there's a good reason why people weren't watching them. It's because they were pretty bad.
What is going on, guys? I have kind of a mini rant for you guys real quick.
But what's inspiring about that fact is that didn't stop Jimmy from making videos. Even though he didn't have good equipment, good audio, even though he didn't know what to make videos about, he kept making videos. And I think one of the things that could have stopped him from getting started at all was perfectionism. So many of us think that we have to make the perfect YouTube video, but Jimmy wasn't afraid of making bad videos. Now fast forward and MrBeast started making content around Minecraft and Call of Duty. And after a year and a half of uploading, he finally had 300 subscribers.
What is going on, guys? I just hit 300 subscribers, which is pretty freaking awesome.
So even though success was taking much longer than expected, and his videos still were not very good, he kept uploading. So finally, after making 100 videos on the channel, Jimmy finally hit 700 subscribers. And now came in what I think skyrocketed MrBeast to the success that he is today. He was completely obsessed with continual improvement. He was making $1 a day from his YouTube videos, and he took every dollar that he had and reinvested that into making better videos. So he saved up for an entire month and then bought a new microphone. And after that, he saved up for an entire year and bought a new computer. But not only was he improving his setup, it was at this time that he also was improving his overall YouTube strategy. And this is when he transitioned from making the Call of Duty commentaries that he did before into the crazy challenges that he would become known for after that. He counted to 100,000. He watched It's Everyday Bro for 10 hours straight, and with his first brand deal, he gave $10,000 to a homeless guy. And those became staples of his videos, doing these crazy challenges and giving away absurd amounts of money. He's making mistakes, learning how to improve his own videos, and learning from other people's mistakes. He's studying the YouTube platform and seeing what works. And during this whole process, MrBeast is learning more and more about YouTube, and it's all in the pursuit of the goal in making the best videos possible. And it's this crazy obsession of making the best videos possible for the last 13 years that I think has propelled MrBeast to the success that he is today. But I think this could easily have not been the case if he didn't get started, didn't keep uploading, and didn't keep improving. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.